Okay, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. In Cancers, we are here for a 7-day forecast for the Cancers. Cross watches included. You're all welcome to be here. Let's get to it. So I got the cards out here. Don't worry, I did not bamboozle you. These are how the cards came out after I shuffled. We are starting with the Sun card, followed by the Knight of Pentacles, followed by the Seven of Wands in reverse. Now, okay, hear me out here. So there is something that has happened there's something that's been on the horizon. It may have happened already. You may have been feeling this already. And it's this positive feeling of freedom. You have gained the confidence to do something fun again. I'm hearing again. I don't know why I said again, but it could be new. But I don't know why I'm saying again, so I don't know. But you're very optimistic about something that you feel successful about, or something that you can be successful about. It deals with self-expression. There's good luck on your side should you embark on this, or if you continue to embark on this. It makes you happy. This makes you realize something that is true about yourself. This causes you to be more open, feeling like some of you were closed in. I'm also seeing that there can be pregnancy underway. So if you're not pregnant, or you're not trying to get pregnant, maybe you're ovulating, or someone is trying to get you pregnant, or someone is thinking about getting you pregnant, or wants to have kids with you. Or this can be just something germinating regarding a project. It could be this thing that you feel confident and positive about, something that you feel is a expression that brings you freedom. It could be that's like a new child, so it's being treated like it's being birthed, if that makes sense. Now, what's also being shown to me is this. The number 19 may mean something to you as well, or the number 10, or the number 1. What's also being shown to me is this. There is someone who will come your way. Pause. Or as a matter of fact, if they haven't came already, pause, that's crazy work. But if they haven't come already, then they're on their way. But they may take this slow approach. It may take some time. So I would say don't look for it to be tomorrow. Well, don't look for it to be today, is what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Look for it to arrive, or them to arrive slower than this message is coming. And this person is a calculated person. They have persevered through some trials and tribulations in their life. They have. But they're kind of preachy. Like, they're kind of like the type of person that's like, yeah, if you do it like this and you go this way, that's how you avoid making the pitfalls and the mistakes that I made, And you can be discussing or talking about your upbeat enthusiasm that comes with this thing that you're doing or that you're embarking on. I'm saying to be cautious around this person about how you speak about that thing, if you do it at all. I got a feeling this person loves you too. Like, if you don't notice, like, they do. Like, they got a crush on you hard. But again, they're preachy, and there's someone who wants to reach a goal with you, but it's based merely upon their path in life. You get what I'm saying? So what can happen is they can put a dampen on what it is that you just drummed up for yourself. And that's what this Seven of Wands in reverse is doing out here. It can cause you to fold on your own beliefs and say, you know what, I thought I could with the Sun card. Now I feel like I can't. Because that person is going to be vocal about so many obstacles and the things that they faced. And it's kind of like smoke screen that can get in your way and say, you know what was I thinking when I was thinking about doing that thing, So the potential to give up on yourself and give up on that thing is there. I'm just keeping it a beam with you. I'm just putting it out there so you handle it accordingly. Till next time.